Hello and welcome back to the channel. Have we got a big announcement for the next event that we're going to attend? So, cue the intro. So this is a super quick video, but it's really awesome and it's really cool because it's the next sort of event that we're going to attend. We're not hosting it, we're just going. But I'm going to let the psychic tell you the great and awesome news of the place that we're going to go and hang out for an entire weekend.
So at the end of July, we are going to be going to the Malle Mile, which you might be wondering what that is. I was when somebody told me about it, so I looked it up. And it is held in the grounds of Grimthorpe Castle in Lincolnshire. And basically it's a festival and racing of all sorts to do with motorcycles, and they say it's the, let me just read it, it says the British Inappropriate Motorcycle Race and Festival in Motion. So there they will be having racing on all sorts of different bikes, all sorts of different races. There's a hill climb, there's some track racing, there's drag racing, all on these wacky weird bikes, and there's a festival, there's music on and all that sort of thing. And guess what? Me and Alan are going to be racing. On what you might be asking, well, guess what we're going to be racing on? It is...
And of course, inappropriate bikes. It has to be the monkey bikes. It's the best bike in the world. And the Vespa, because it's trying to be. The most important thing is that we're going to be taking these and we're going to be racing and we're going to be kicking some serious butt. We hope. If not, we'll get very drunk and dance a lot to music. Anyway, if you come along to the festival, please come and find us. Please come and say hello. The psychic will have beer. You can drink all of his beer. He doesn't mind his beer being drunk whatsoever at all. But anyway, I can't wait for this because it's going to be filmed and it's going to be done in the true helmet head 11 out of 10 style. So hopefully we'll see you there.